Growing up, my grandmother taught me the simple magic of steaming fish with ginger and soy sauce. It's a taste of home, a memory on a plate, and now I'm sharing that warmth with you. There are two key ingredients that make this dish so mouth-watering and memorable: the ginger and garlic oil and the prepared soy sauce. Let me show you how to create this restaurant quality meal in the comfort of your own home. Here are the ingredients we will need. Fish fillet. I'm using sea bass here, but you can use any type of whitefish. You can also use a whole fish if you prefer. There are two key ingredients that makes this dish so special. It's the ginger and garlic oil and the prepared soy sauce. For the ginger and garlic oil, we will need garlic, spring onions, chili, oil, young ginger. I'm using young ginger here as opposed to old ginger. Young ginger is not as hot, has a more delicate floral note, and is meant to be eaten. Young ginger is what they serve when you eat xiao long bao. Old ginger is hotter, less fragrant, and more fibrous. It is used for flavoring and not meant to be eaten. For the prepared soy sauce, we will need soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, Chinese cooking wine. Let's prepare the ingredients. To make the ginger and garlic oil, give your garlic a rough chop. For the young ginger, remove any dark parts of the ginger. Cut the ginger up into slices. Arrange these slices by overlapping them. Then, cut them into strips. Cut up the white parts of the spring onions. For the garnish, cut the green parts of the spring onions into 3-inch sections. Then into long strips. Get yourself a small bowl of water. Drop a few ice cubes in it. Put the strips into the ice water, or you can put them in some water and put them into the fridge. This will make the green onions curl up. Cut the red chili into rings. To make the prepared soy sauce, combine soy sauce, water, oyster sauce, sugar, Chinese cooking wine. Give all this a good stir till the sugar dissolves. Now, to cook, put your pan over a medium heat. Put oil into the pan. There is no need to wait for the pan to heat up. Fry the ginger for about a minute. Put in the garlic and the white parts of the green onions. Fry them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Keep an eye on the garlic and make sure that the garlic does not burn. After about a minute, remove the ginger, the garlic, and oil. Next, let's steam the fish. Boil some water. Then, put the fish into the wok. Cover and steam it over a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the fish. There will be some water at the bottom of the steaming plate. Pour this water away. Pour the ginger and garlic oil onto the fish. Put the chili on top of the fish as well. Now, pour the prepared soya sauce around the sides of the dish. I'm using about half of the soya sauce here. Steam the fish for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check that the fish is fully cooked. And we do this by cutting into the fish at the thickest part. It should go through very easily. Also, visually check that the fish is cooked through. The flesh should be white. After checking for doneness, cover up the hole you just made with the toppings. The cold water would have made the green onions curl up by now. Dry them on the kitchen towel. Then, use it to garnish the fish. And there you have it, a delicious, fragrant and healthy soya sauce fish fillet, just like the way my grandma used to make it. Let me know in the comments below what other seafood dishes you would like to see. And if you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe and want to create some more memories, here are some more recipes to check out. And I'll see you in the next one.